Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best hand blenders is probably one of the most versatile kitchen gadgets you can own. From whipping up smoothies in seconds to creating velvety soups and sauces, these handy tools make cooking a breeze. But with so many options available, choosing the right one can be a challenge. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of hand blenders, exploring their features, and helping you find the perfect match for your culinary needs. Number 5. Mueller 8-speed stainless steel handheld blender. This is a slim and powerful immersion blender. It can mix, blend, whisk, and froth quickly. It comes with detachable accessories for various kitchen tasks. With this blender, you can easily make smoothies, whipped cream, and even beat eggs. It ensures a smooth and consistent result every time. This will be your new favorite kitchen gadget. It includes a stainless steel blending shaft for shakes and soups, a frother for all milk types, and a whisk for whipping cream or batter. These attachments make it incredibly versatile for all your cooking needs. Activate the turbo mode for increased power. The ergonomic grip and non-slip handle provide comfort and control. The blade housing also reduces splashes. Just attach the desired accessory, plug it in, submerge the blade, and blend. Adjust the speed to your preference. Detailed instructions are included for your convenience. Cleaning up is a breeze. The blending shaft, whisk, and frother are all dishwasher safe. Spend less time cleaning and more time enjoying your creations. What we like? This blender comes with multiple attachments, making it incredibly versatile. It can handle everything from smoothies to whipped cream. If you're looking for a kitchen tool that can do it all, this is the one for you. What people say. The 8-speed settings made it easy to get just the right consistency, and the stainless steel build feels solid and reliable. It has been a true workhorse with a strong motor, and it never lets me down. The blender works great and has a silicone cover for sensitive pot-pan materials. The whisk is my favorite and works especially great for whipping up cream quickly in a mason jar. The attachments are super easy to remove and wash in the dishwasher or by hand. The base can just be wiped clean and put away. This can achieve pretty high speeds and has a turbo option. My only gripe is that the lowest speed is still a bit too fast for some things. Number 4. OVENTE HS560B Handheld Blender. Introducing the OVENTE HS560B, your new kitchen essential. This powerful immersion blender whips up sauces, dips, and smoothies in seconds. It's perfect for quick and healthy meals. With its 300-watt motor, this blender effortlessly blends ingredients. It's ideal for smoothies, purees, and even baby food. You'll love how easy it is to use. This blender features 2 blending speeds and a pulse-activated sensor. You can easily achieve the perfect texture for any recipe. From soft ingredients to frozen fruits, it handles it all. The non-slip handle provides comfortable control while blending. The stainless steel shaft fits in most mixing bowls. It's designed for all your daily blending needs. Cleaning is a breeze with the detachable parts. The shaft is dishwasher safe, and the motor body wipes clean. It comes apart and snaps back together with ease. OVENTE offers a 1-year warranty, ensuring quality and satisfaction. Enjoy peace of mind with US-based customer service. Get yours today. What we like? The adjustable speed settings give you complete control over your blending. The ergonomic design makes it comfortable to use for extended periods. If you value precision and comfort in your kitchen, you should consider it. What people say. It handles both hot and cold ingredients easily, and the high and low speed settings are perfect for what we need in the kitchen. One of the best features is the detachable blade that's dishwasher safe. I won't buy anything that isn't dishwasher safe, so that was a must. I use it to puree the tomatoes right in the can. No need to pull out my blender or food processor. This stores easily in a drawer and takes up little room. It does a perfect job on the tomatoes. I have used it for cream soups as well. Again, a great job. I love that it has 2 speeds. At 300 watts it seems to have more than sufficient power. Number 3. Mueller Multistick 5-in-1 Immersion Blender. This immersion blender boasts a powerful 800-watt motor and a titanium steel blade system. It can crush, pulverize, and blend ingredients smoothly. This makes it perfect for any recipe or smoothie, with easy cleanup. With 12 speeds, you have maximum control for any task. Whether you're making salsas, shakes, or baby food, this blender delivers consistent results. Use the turbo boost for even faster and more homogeneous mixtures. This 5-in-1 appliance goes beyond blending. It includes a whisk, frother, beaker, and chopper attachments. The chopper even acts as a mini food processor, making meal prep a breeze. Designed for comfort and ease, this hand mixer features a non-slip grip and fits in any bowl or pot. Cleanup is simple with dishwasher-safe parts. The non-slip base adds extra stability during use. We're here to help. Contact us via our toll-free number or live chat. We believe in making life easier and better. Our satisfaction promise covers all our products, so feel free to reach out. What we like? With its powerful motor and multiple attachments, this blender can handle the toughest blending tasks. It also comes with a chopper, making meal prep a breeze. If you like a versatile and powerful blender, this is the perfect choice. What people say. Has a great, separate veg fruit chopper and also a deep plastic cup for drink or other liquid blending. Has a forward and reverse, the upper button, don't know which does which, after a few seconds will cause a vacuum vortex that is useful to blend a sauce, velvet, or other liquid to consistent and smoothness you desire, but while it takes a little practice, is so much easier to control, clean and create with than the old-style glass blender. Very high-quality product, stainless steel and lots of power. Love all the gadgets that come with it. The instruction manual is particularly well written and easy to understand. Number 2. Cuisinart CSB 179 Smart Stick Hand Blender. This hand blender is versatile and durable. It switches from low to high speed quickly, making it perfect for various tasks. The comfort grip handle with push button allows for continuous action. The variable speed slide control gives you precise control. It features an on-off switch with a lock-unlock button. The 8-inch stainless steel blending shaft makes it easy to puree, emulsify, or whip. This blender comes with a 3-cup chopper grinder, a chef's whisk, and a 2-cup mixing measuring cup. These accessories expand its functionality. This product is BPA-free and comes with a 3-year limited warranty. Refer to the user manual for warranty details and troubleshooting. What we like? The variable speed control allows for precise blending, giving you the perfect consistency every time. The included accessories add extra versatility. If you are looking for a reliable and easy-to-use blender, this is a great option. What people say. The blender has a multi-speed adjustment, making it easy to start a blend at a low speed to mitigate any mess, and ending in a high-speed blend that assures complete puree. Accessories include a blender cup, chopper, and whipping attachment. The handle fits comfortably in my hand, even when blending for longer periods, and the lightweight construction makes it incredibly easy to maneuver. Number 1. Braun MultiQuick 5MQ505 Hand Blender. This hand blender has been recognized as the top choice by America's Test Kitchen. It's a testament to its quality and performance, making it a reliable tool for any kitchen task. The power bell system features ultra-hard stainless steel blades and a unique bell shape. This design reduces suction and pulls food inward, resulting in smoother blending. The floral bell shape and blade placement virtually eliminates splashing. This innovative technology ensures a cleaner and more efficient blending experience, simplifying cleanup. The German-engineered motor is evenly balanced for power and long-lasting use. This design ensures smooth and comfortable operation, providing consistent performance over time. With the EasyClick system, you can quickly switch attachments. It allows you to blend, chop, whisk, mash, crush, and puree with ease, offering versatility in the kitchen. It features stainless steel blades and a soft grip, ergonomic handle. With 2 speed settings, it makes preparing your favorite meals simple and efficient. What we like? The unique power bell system ensures smooth and efficient blending. The splash control technology keeps your kitchen clean. If you are looking for a blender that is both innovative and easy to use, this is the one for you. What people say. Powerful and perfect for smoothies. Incredible. Very comfortable grip, super easy to operate, plenty of power, amazing handheld immersion blender. Attachments is so much easier to clean than a traditional blender. Tired, working moms ain't got time for that. This one is quieter and more steady than other hand blenders. That makes it possible for me to food prep and make a bunch of baby food during nap time and after bedtime. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.